Identify the synonyms of these English words. Let's begin. Respect, honor. Occur, happen. Wide, broad. Ample, abundant. Liter, waste. Speak, talk. Attractive, appealing. Brave, courageous. Increase, add. Fast, quick. Identify the antonyms of these English words. Let's begin. Love, hate. Rich, poor. Light, dark. Happy, sad. Big, small. Up, down. Cold, hot. Fast, slow. Old, young. How about the word night? Let me know in the comments.